Hi there, how are you? Today we study more conversation strategies, some conversation sounds to express opinion. For example, you can use the expression "oh" to show a surprise. Or you can use the expression "uh-oh" when you discover a problem. Example, you are entering in your home, then you see the refrigerator leaking. You say, "uh-oh." You can use this expression. Another expression when you make a small mistake is oops. For example, you are serving some coffee and you split coffee on the table. Say oops. Or you can say uh-oh. Another expression when you hurt yourself. You were walking and then you bump your finger on the table leg. You say ouch. Ouch is an expression when you hurt yourself. You say ouch. Another expression when you don't like something, you say or you say yuck. Normally it's rude to say yuck to food. It's better to say yummy when you think something is delicious. And another expression, when you want to say, "oh no," you can say, "shoot." All right? Now I would like you to use these expressions, to invent examples, to use these expressions. The expression, "oh," the expression, "uh-oh," the expression, "ouch," the expression, "oops," and the expression, "shoot." These expressions are very useful when you communicate. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Dib. See you next class.